everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I have done a planner video, and the reason being is I just have not had any inspiration to do it. I don't know what it is here lately, but I just have not had the inspiration to do any videos whatsoever, except for if you are friends with me on Facebook, you guys know that me and my mom sell paparazzi jewelry, but we've been thinking about not doing that and trying something else, like still selling jewelry, but just not paparazzi. So I'm not exactly sure just yet, but we've been dealing with that, and we've been dealing with codes. And 2 weeks ago, my daughter had that 7 to 10 day bug, so she was throwing up the whole time. I know, like, y'all want to hear that. But I've been dealing with a lot here the past couple weeks. Let's just say the past month. It's just been a little hectic. And if you guys know, also Lavonna, she recently had surgery, so I was just trying to worry more about her and make sure that she was okay and all of that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to start doing rewind spreads. I know that this would be more of like for like memory keeping, and I do have this on one of my mini happy planner spreads that I'm going to actually print out once I'm finished decorating it. And then let's see, and then I'm going to put it in my mini happy planner, just because I do still love the look of a physical planner. But with this, if I do it all like I'm doing digital and then just print it all out on the page, I don't have to print, cut, and then decorate. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing, is just rewind playing with these, and then in my digital planner, I can crop this to actually fit into my digital planner. So when I add it into there, I can do that as well. So anyways, what we're going to be doing today is using a kit from this lady right here. Let's see if I can, Uncommon Planner Printables. I think that's what it's called. That's what her shop is called. So we're going to be using a kit from her, and I think it was like $4 something for this kit, and I really wanted to do Nightmare Before Christmas, and I did post it in the group which kit I should use. It was either this kit or a Harry Pottermas or Happy Pottermas, or it's like Harry Potter inspired, and this got the more votes. So this is just what I'm going to be using today. And with most of my digital kits that I do, I most usually do like a full background, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. I think I'm just going to leave, a little bit more of white space.